You ever get told not to crack your knuckles or you'll get arthritis? Good news. That's a myth. What you're hearing isn't bones grinding, it's actually gas. When you stretch or pull on a joint, it changes pressure inside the joint capsule. That pressure drop causes bubbles of gas to collapse or form, and that's the pop you hear. Multiple studies, including one where a doctor cracked only one hand for 60 years, didn't find one case of increased arthritis. So, you love the sound? Crack on. No joke. It might annoy everyone around you, but it's not hurting your joints. Myth cracked, pun intended. The more you know, the more you grow.